Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, our fingerprint sensor is right here. Now as you guys can see, I get fingerprint mismatch and I'll show you how to easily fix it. First, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and simply clean our fingerprint sensor. So the sensor is in between the messages app, the camera app, and those three two dots and two lines. So this is where we should clean. This is the area we have to cover. And now after swiping it, of course, you can just do this if you don't know where it is. Now it is clean, and what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and re-register the fingerprint in the settings. So we have to go to settings. In the settings, we have to go over into the let me quickly show you the password and security. Here we have the fingerprint, and as you guys can see, we have to enter our password. Once we enter the password, here we have our finger, and we're gonna click on delete. Now we click on delete again and click add fingerprint. We're gonna click next, and now our clean fingerprint sensor is registering everything that we do. Sometimes it may say that we have a partial fingerprint. As you guys can see, like partial fingerprint detected, we just ignore that message, and also the message about the same fingerprint that we have scanned, so the same like part of the finger. Here we can try and it works. As you guys can see, if it's not working for you, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector if you have one, because it can cause a lot of interference if it's fake, for example, or if it's just going out of the screen. Now what are we going to do is we're going to update our software to fix any sensor glitches. So we're going to scroll down, go to system, it's right at the bottom, and go to system update. Here we click on online update, and sometimes it might crash on us, but now it did not crash. My system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It is very important because you want to fix those glitches right away. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.